In order to download Visual Studio Code, go to the Visual Studio Code downloading page as shown up above. Once you are there, you will see 3 versions of the Visual Studio Code download. One for Windows, one for Linux, and one for Mac. Choose the correct one for your operating system. For this instance, I will be choosing the Windows 11 version of Visual Studio Code. Next, the setup should begin downloading. Once it is done downloading, click on the User Setup in the bottom left corner. Accept the agreement. Click Next. Create a desktop icon. Click Next. Click Install. And now the install should begin.